which I'll show it to you in the description box, sliced, and this is the spring onion which I've grown myself in a bottle, and I just use as and when I require. And what I've done here is sauteed there is an onion, and you cut it in juliennes, the capsicum, cabbage, carrot, and then what I broke 2 eggs inside. A little bit of soy sauce I sprinkled over it. In the meanwhile, it's already cooked. You see, I don't want it to cook too much. And then I've just put the water here boiling with the noodle which is boiling inside. And now what we'll do is we will just since I bought the packet one, my son likes this thing. There's a chili powder which is quite good actually. You can just put the chili powder. It's going to give beautiful taste, and it also comes with a masala powder which also is quite tasty and will give a wonderful taste. So normally you can get this masala powder and chili powder, I guess, which is there. And also you have an oil which is a mix of seasoning oils. It should give a good flavor, and it comes with a soy sauce too. So I just put some soy sauce and a little bit of oil, and just after this is done, I just stir it, and a little bit of, it really gives a beautiful taste, sugar, you see. And if you want to put, you can put more soy sauce and salt. And this is done. And then I'm going to just take this mixture and put it over here and mix up everything in the meanwhile. And for that I need just to take it out. I'm just straining the noodles by putting a little bit of cold water. And that's it, you just strain it and just put it over the Now I'm going to just have done it, and then that's it. You just mix up the noodles which I have strained. That's the way it is. You just need to mix it up, and the noodles is beautiful and it's ready. As you can see, it's wonderful. The colorful ingredients is done. The end product is this noodles which I'm just going to flip it around. And it's a wonderful noodles, if you can see. And the noodles is done. And what I'm going to do now is just the spring onions which I have in my own garden. And this is the final product. Lovely. The children will enjoy the noodles. There's everything inside, all the nutritional vegetables and little